Hey there, today we're going to delve into an interesting problem that many people might encounter at some point. The issue here is problem. Picture this. You're on your computer trying to access a specific website, but for some reason, you keep getting a "this site can't be reached" error message. Frustrating, right? Don't worry, we've got the solution for you. Now, let's talk about the solution to the problem at hand. The key to fixing the issue of not being able to access a website lies in clearing your browser's cache and cookies. By doing this simple step, you are essentially wiping out any stored data that might be causing the problem. Once you've cleared the cache and cookies, go ahead and try accessing the website again. Voila! The solution to your problem is right there, easy peasy. In some cases, if clearing your browser's cache and cookies doesn't work, you can also try using a different web browser. This can help rule out any browser-specific issues that may be hindering your access to the website. By switching to a different browser, you might just find that the website loads perfectly fine, saving you from the problem you're facing earlier. To wrap things up, if you ever find yourself unable to access a website and keep seeing the dreaded error message, remember that clearing your browser's cache and cookies or trying a different web browser can be the solution you need. It's a quick and simple fix that can save you a lot of frustration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy browsing!